J250 torch. Fast fingers. Right, we're going to set a 41mm gap. One more. There we go, 41mm from the end of the tube to the open face of the electrode. And then we lock down the lock nut. There we go. Screw the burner head back on. Right, so the burner head is screwed on just the right amount so that the electrode is touching, it'll probably, yeah, that's about it. The electrode is touching the flat face of the burner head. We can then use a rule to measure the gap we've got here. So there's a 6mm gap there. That means when the burner head is screwed all the way on, if you can tighten it up for us, Gary. When the burner head's tightened up, it means that the gap inside is going to be 6mm. In operation, the Baton Rouge Coca pilots are operating in a high air temperature. That means that this tube here is going to expand upwards, but the electrode inside will stay at the same length because it's surrounded by cold air. So if we and that movement will be about 3mm. So if we only set a 3mm gap, for example, outside when everything's cold, then the mixture tube will expand and close up the gap, and it'll short out the electrode. So hence we set a 6mm gap to start with. The tube expands by 3mm, and we end up with a 3mm gap. So everybody's happy, you're getting a good spark and good flame detection. When you want to remove the burner head, it's necessary to make sure that the electrode is pushed in towards the center of the hole, or else if you just try and unwind it when the electrode is over the flat face of the burner head, it'll damage the electrode and twist it and bend it, and it'll wreck your electrode. Good luck.